what's good, everybody? So there's an interesting shoe that I want to talk about today, bro. So this shoe right here is Nigo's shoe. Now, if you're not really familiar with who Nigo is, he's basically one of the main people who got Bape created. He made it very popular, and he wasn't really working with anybody was like sneaker brand wise. And then he came over to Nike. So a lot of people were really excited for him to come over to Nike. And the few things that they kind of teased, and I don't even know if they released these, but they were just so trash, nobody even paid no mind to it. But these right here, what we're looking at right now are what's supposed to be the Nigo Nike Air Force 3 lows. And I know he's like an old, when it comes to like streetwear and vintage, like that kind of style, he's really like old school because obviously he started all the stuff with like the Bapestas and things like that. So I don't know if this Air Force 3 is like an older model that I personally haven't seen before. If it has been released, Nike hasn't really done a good job of doing their history. But let's get into this article because I'm actually really curious about these shoes. I actually want these for personal because it doesn't really look like a Air Force. That's what I'm saying. It has like the sole is different. The whole shape is really different. And I like what it got going on. And this like swoosh with this kind of like pattern right here on the yellow, it kind of reminds me of like the off-white. It really does look like an off-white shoe. Let me see if I can try and pull up a shoe off-white. And I'm not talking about like the Nike ones. I'm talking about like just the, see like that, like, let me go to this. It looks very similar to like the off-white, whatever these are. If my computer will load fast enough. But yeah, it looks like, we go here. See, look, low battery. Gotta make this quick. But yeah, from here to here, it looks very similar. And I mean, I like it. I would never pay like $650. Like, you know what I'm saying? This is too much for like designer. Like I said before, I'm not really into designer. This is more like, it is designer, but it's on the streetwear side. But this is like fully streetwear. So let's get into it. So Nigo's transition from his long-standing relationship with Adidas to joining. Oh, so yeah, I forgot he was with Adidas, but he didn't really do anything with Adidas either. That I get. Oh, unless he helped with Pharrell on the Human Racist, but honestly, nothing crazy. With it. Oh wait. I'm tweaking. Did he do the Human Made stuff? Because there was Human Made, like shoes and Human Races. Cause I actually had a pair. So I guess that, but nothing of his, because that was ultimately still Pharrell's, right? So the Japanese designer, best known for founding Bape and spearheading Human Made, previewed his first Nike collaboration during Paris Fashion Week. This collaboration focused on unexpected silhouette, the Nike Air Force 3, a model typically overlooked compared to its more famous predecessors. Okay, so I guess the Air Force, I had a feeling that this was an older model. I don't think that they were just making like a new Air Force, like how it was like going in order. This is probably one of the first ones. So I don't think it was like Air Force 1, Air Force 2, and then this is the third Air Force, like it's a movie, like a movie sequel or anything. So let's see. The Nike Air Force 3 low merges retro vibes with flair. Contemporary. I'm tripping. Contemporary flair. The sneaker. That's crazy. The sneaker's upper is a mix of patent leather and corduroy, creating a unique combination of textures that reflects luxury and street culture. Like I said, it does look. It gives off like designer vibes, but also streetwear, like very similar to the off-white. It's just talking about the color here, this and that. Vibrant hues take over the rest of the sneaker. Pink wraps around the mudguard and heel overlays. Green and yellow hit the eye stays, and a bold red swoosh commands attention on the side panels. Nigo puts his spin on the branding, replacing the traditional Nike Air on the heel tab with Nigo Air. Do we have a picture of that? Oh, we only have this picture, so I guess we can't see that part. So I guess that's pretty cool. I wonder if it's gonna have like a symbol on it too, or just gonna say Nigo's Air. Packaging is co-branded. I like that, featuring custom graphics and logos that blends Nigo's signature style with Nike's heritage. The Nigo Air Force will release in holiday 2024 through Nike and select retailers online and in store. Coming in men's sizing, the price retail is set at $160. I mean, this is very vague. Holiday 2024, that's either November or December. through Nike. So we're gonna get a sneakers release, and then select retailers. Now they can put select retail. Honestly, I think this is gonna come to everybody because the thing with shoes like this is usually it's like, okay, they just make it super limited just so we can have it for the culture per se. But I think that this is like the first shoe that he's coming out with Nike, and I feel like he has to put something out because he's announced that he's with Nike for a long time now, and we haven't had anything. So I wouldn't say that these are going to be widely available, but I like it's going to be open to the public for sure. I don't know how hard it's going to be because I don't know how many people are really going to care because Nigo, I feel like Nigo has enough fan base to like, even in this age where it's kind of hard to like understand the old history, like appreciate the old history, but I think he has enough fans for this to like really sell out and have some type of impact and maybe some hype. But I like these. I like these a lot, and I would definitely get a pair. So let me know how you feel about the Nigo 3s. I really like them. Nike Air Force 3s. I really do like them. Let me know your thoughts on these. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.